Welcome back, my viewers. As you know, your boy here, Pretty Ricky. To be rich, you have to act rich. Image is everything, as you can see me. You understand? Yeah, man. So, I have an important product out there sell. And trust me, I can make you guys really, really wealthy. Yeah, man. So, this is what I have for you guys. Just remember, if you check in my link, just check out my ebook. And trust me, everything is in that. All of the product, all information is there to show you guys how to get rich. Look at me. A living proof, a living testimony. Yeah, man, this is not a scam thing. I have everything set up for you guys there. Account number, everything. So just link in my bio and everything will work out fine for you guys. All right? Yeah, man. And if you guys want to get money, you have to invest on my ebook. And money will definitely come in. Yeah, man. And me just not talk, you know. No, man. Me just not. Me have a living proof. Yeah, man. Me have people can come and prove, testify for me, you know. And tell you guys what's going on. Yeah, man. As me said, image is everything. This is not scamming. It's not a fancy scheme thing, is it? Yeah, man. So you guys just check out my ebook. Yeah, man. Just check it out, you know. And you guys won't regret nothing. So I have an important meeting to attend. So don't forget to tune in on my next video. All right? Yeah, man. Everybody have a blessed day. Remember, image is everything.
Elephant.
Well, go on, man.
Boy, I'm there, man. Elephant, they walk.
Yes, bro. You know you go, you know.
Boy, brother, you know, cut out the foolishness, man.
Cut out what? No,
Eh?
bro, come on, man. You know things that I got like yo, right, you know. I like food, this, you know.
Yeah, but remember I say you put out your face on the internet, you know, dog. Like, internet, that, you know.
Nah, man, them don't know my real name, man.
They don't know your real name, but your face, bro. You tell people about click on to this and click on to that. And you know nothing no go so.
Bro, right now, you know it's scamming going on, scamming moving everywhere right now, you know. You understand?
Brother, better you did that choppy line, brother, and a dial.
No, man. You know, see chop line slow down now. The hello now go nowhere now, you know?
That's how you think, dog.
Anyway, hear more from me, Zane. I wanted to promote the thing for me.
What do you mean?
So I'm gonna make a little video. I'm gonna come in.
Brother, yeah, man. Brother, man. I'm not that, man. Brother. Yeah,
Bro, we just want to come in and just tell the people them how the thing work, how it active. Tell them about my product.
So me if you risk for my life and put for my face out there, I tell people them, no brother, I'm not the part, I'm not sitting there, dog. Me alright, me go and do my little DJ work and stay some bumps and grow in a little bar them and play music on Thursday and Friday night time or something. You see me?
Bro, listen, man. Every Friday night you don't have QQ. A DJ. And you not make no money. See, all sometimes, man, them hold on for the money, man. You know see what I go on? Bro, this, you don't have to move out of your house. This a live money that come to me every Saturday.
Well, I'm not the part that. Me good. Me good. So you the part.
Just give me one scene, bro. The product have to sell. And you're a DJ, want to advertise the thing for me.
Me the boy, I'm not the part in this, brother. Right now, the what's that is no, sir. Me good. So you're good.
Me proper, man. If you
What?
say, I say go, I say go.
Go on,
Me not force you.
oh man, go and do it, man. You see me? You see me? Just
hope-
remember me when time I reach out to me today. You see me? Just remember me.
I remember somebody asked if you help, bro. I remember what you tell me, say. I'm going to tell us to continue to do your DJing. But man always a hold you.
If I say go, you know, my boss. Look what's going on.
All right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, God. Wait upon.
No, from the time I tell me say I wash car, you know, don't you?
You think say easy if you wash car?
Me never say it easy, but you take long still.
We are working. Wait upon.
No, you're good.
Yeah, me there. I go and wash the car. I go on.
No, where you call me from?
You know what I said? Me up on the social media thing and I look for some things and I realize say, me see your man, Jermain, online. I say how to get rich quick. And I tell people how to invest and this and that. Me never know say online I do them things say, you have money?
So Timmy, if you watch a video of them and listen to them carefully, 'cause obviously it's a fan, you know. Yeah, a joke. You know, must realize that it's a business and that's what you do.
Yes, sis, but to tell you the truth, if you might talk all them good things about how to get money and this and that and invest in that Bitcoin and all of them foolishness, that means they have money.
Yeah, in the pan
So like when you have money, how me not see a drive no car and how me not see help you to finish build your house and this.
I feel that you call me for?
Yeah, because if a man online I say how he rich and he not do certain things for you and you are a woman, I scam people them.
He have him money, fee money and fee money. No mean to mine, although we're together. And him do what him do for me. Now you see my head stay so
Yeah,
it's a break me I take.
So my sister, like when you saying rich, me not understand. He must say he rich, but he no move like he rich.
Wait, so you want to stay in a ghetto and buy jelly and show off so they can come kill him?
Me not say all of that thing about my sister. He's saying he's rich, and I do not see him doing nothing for you. Me see him online, pop champagne, I go a party, they a bar, have all kind of liquor and this.
Timmy, stop. Really and truly, that have nothing to do with you now.
You're right, you know, nothing to do with me, but my sister, yeah, my sister. You know, I don't know for you, so me not understand.
Me and you close. Me ever call you until I say man not take care of me? Why you jump to conclusions?
Well, you never call me and say that, you know, but sometimes I wonder if you might take care of you, because me not really see your life, I really improve, you know. All your little nail shop we have, you know. How you gonna help you finish build up bigger and this? They like, him a saying rich and me not see him a do nothing for you.
You see, the only reason I can explain this to you is because I know you care about me. But this really not have nothing to do with that to me. You have passed the place. Because what I try to say,
Me feel like I lie him a tell you.
him not tell no lie, he have his money and he depend on food. It's just that sometimes when he get the money, he not have access to it. Same time. That's the only reason why you might see me look certain way. I mean, I need for wear brand. I wear what I want.
And you walk foot.
It doesn't matter.
Alright, my sister, I just didn't want to ask, but like how me and him brother.
Why you have carry me a walk?
That not have nothing to do with me. Me have me car wash at work. That's why I could afford one car. But my sister, like how me and him brother-in-law, he can send some money my way.
Wow.
Or I lie, my tell.
Go take your number off the internet and call him and we could see a conversation go.
I'll call him. That's all me want to talk to you about. Cause
I can't believe I make me come out of yard for this.
Tanya, me want to know how truthful way myself be. He can't say he know how to make money, you know. And he not helping woman improve her life, you know. You understand me I say? Because me no want him me no want it be a case where he must scam people them for their money, you know. And I tell them be a lie, you know. And then one day, one of them start preem, you know. And then they do you something, you know. Because you see, if they do you something, me I go have to kill him.
Yeah, no bother with the foolishness. Nothing like that not gonna happen. And you have to bear in mind, so we're not dead that long. And me don't want him to feel like I only half find money because it come from a certain background. I get what I say, so I just try to take things slow. But I promise you, him do his best for me, I promise.
Alright, my sister. Me just want to know how truthful it be.
Me have faith in my work, and what I do is not no scam. So just take my word for it.
Alright. But tell him say if he might invest in a business, he can come help me invest in my car wash still.
When you not call him and your brother-in-law, listen to me, me I got me hard.
Alright. Big up yourself.
Jermain! Anybody inside? Hello. Come here, nobody hide. Come.
Oh, Miss Campbell, how are you?
Are you me come to?
No, I saw me a dodge from and the sun hot. How are you?
I'm not so good, and you should know that before you even ask me how me do. You know when me come out, me have to explain myself?
No, but
Okay.
here, me have a big contract to come out, you know. Why just give me a little more time? May I give you an extra pan rent? Alright?
Jermain,
Just give me a little chance, just a little more chance.
Jermain, you realize, say, me have to sustain the place. Me have to take care of it, to keep it up. This is not the first time you're going to tell me that you're always busy and you have a big contract and you have.
This one a real this time. Me said me nail it. This one a real.
So the
Trust me.
next one, them way you used to tell me about them contract, the way you used to tell me say me I work this so, me I work this so, this one, this so. They're not real.
No, then just cancel it. Then just cancel. But this one here, me I tell you, you realize I work me come from them Miss Campbell. Look for me. For my jacket. It might be tight, but them still accept me.
Jermain, come here, you're a big man. Looking at my face, me a big woman. And you tell me say me as your landlord, them the contract they cancel. So you take me for idiot, Jermain.
No, Miss Campbell, listen. Me take off my glasses. Me looking at your eye.
Take off your glasses because this need to take off it too. You run up the light bill, the water rate, everything.
No, because me use the hot water, that's the reason why. Remember say me alone
So
I
why
use the
are
hot
you
water.
using something that you cannot pay for?
Okay, Miss Campbell, cut it short, to be honest, respectfully. This month I'm gonna pay you everything. I'm gonna give you extra. And the hot water, for the hot water, I cut off it.
Hold
Because
on.
the time too hot for that.
Shh, listen. First of all, JPS bill come more than what it usually come to. The water rate sky high. You understand? Your apartment where you live in, I don't know who you bring there or if you had take disadvantage of the place, but the whole place inside want to paint over. Even the sink, me write down everything, you know. Even the sink in the kitchen, we have to wash the plate in. The whole of it pop out.
Okay.
You understand? So,
Hold on, Miss
hold
Campbell.
on. Can you take this thing for joke? You see all of this? Look on it. All of them here.
But-
You're responsible for them. I'm tired of you. Don't butt me. Jermain, me tired of your excuse. Every month you tell me the same thing. See there, you just say come and hide when you realize me sit down at the
Miss Campbell,
door.
the sun is very hot. I have to pick out this shady area.
Okay, so you alone
So,
the sun a burn. Me not feel
What I'm
it too.
saying, I had some complaint to make to you
What is that?
for like a couple months ago.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
The plugs are not working.
Really now?
The tiles are lifting. The bathroom roof is leaking. The fridge, I don't know what happened, but sometimes it go in and out. And the sink
Excuse me.
is not my fault
Excuse me a little bit.
because I don't cook.
Excuse me, just listen to me. When you just came, before you even pay your down payment, Don't make you walk around and you view the place, say everything speak and span and nothing.
Yes, Miss Campbell, but me never test them. Remember,
Nothing wrong.
I never use them.
Everything
I never
was
start to use it. I never start use them as yet.
No, that's
Viewing-
it. Thank you. You never start use it yet.
Viewing and testing is different.
Hello. Me sure say you walk on the tile and none of them never they shake when you just come here. Me sure say everything was copacetic. You just feel like you can use your head for me.
Okay, Miss Campbell, for your niceness and your kindness and your patiently waiting for me, I'm going to pay you everything next month and I'm going to give you extra. Just bear with me until the 25th of this month.
Me
And I will give you everything that I owe you plus extra.
Jermain, hero.
Okay, Miss Campbell.
You see, because me have a lot more tenant to attend to. So me have to go to the next apartment them and make sure say everything all right. You get one little chance you know. And I'm sorry for you. Don't get it twisted.
Okay, Miss Campbell.
Because every month you tell me the same thing over and over. Me just all take it for now because me kind of busy. Remember you said when? Next month?
This month, Miss
Or
Campbell.
this month?
This month.
Okay, me just want you say it. Me already know. You said this month, and every time I talk to you, you tell me said this month. So me I wonder which month in the year name this month, because I know this month can't come.
Miss Campbell, I got you.
Anyway, you said this month. You see, if this month come and you not provide the amount of money, I don't even want to talk about these figures in my book, you know, where you owe, you know, for rent and all them stuff there where you break up in the place. I don't know if you carry a woman with picnic come and come and shop my place, but I'll me I tell you.
Miss Campbell, to tell you the honest truth, I gain a little bit weight over the time, so things get a little shaky.
So you wait where you gain, you get heavy and walk on the tile and break them up. Listen to me. I don't care how it breaks, but you're responsible for them. If this month come and pass, because you said this month it look like it not come yet. Let me say it, you must understand. Because I don't know which month name this month. So if this month where they talk, come and pass, or if it already come, and you not provide the amount of money that you owe me, just remember say, me can sue you for the amount of money where you owe, or me can put you out on the street.
Okay, Miss Campbell, don't worry
I mean,
about
now go make you just go out on the street so with my money. Me rather carry you in front of the court.
it. Don't worry about it, Miss Campbell.
Me not have no time for waste.
I got you.
Keep up the lie them and think say me stupid.
Have a good day, Miss Campbell.
Keep up the lie them.
Have a good day.
Just keep up the lie them, Jermain. Keep up the lie them. Continue tell the lie them.
All right, Miss Campbell, have a good day.
Oh, go on.
Right upon.
I'm there, man. I sit and look around, and I don't know weed.
You know, say, it really mash up everything, bro, from when me can't even get to reap up nothing or even plant nothing. That's part of it, you see it?
You should make a greenhouse, man.
That
you know,
more,
that reach, you have a greenhouse team where you can go, you know?
that more do, bro, because, but that's the money, bro. I swear to God, that's the money. So that's why right now, me have a different little premiums, you know. Cause I'm not having. What you think about this? I see this youth on YouTube saying I do some little video tutorial where I show people how to get rich quick.
Mine is scamming one them, you know.
Bro, I don't think so, brother. As I see him place in Jamaica, yeah, and I'm gonna show all the successful thing them when do. And right now, I sell one little thing named ebook where you can buy, study it, and reach fast, brother. So,
Who shoot?
why you name Pretty Ricky, man? You know Pretty Ricky, you ever see it yet?
Yeah, the name already, never see it yet still.
Yeah, pretty Ricky, brother, right now. So right now I pre for say, if you put that money together and buy ebook, bro.
What now want for me right now still? So how much for the ebook where I talk about?
Yo, right now the ebook have around 450 US. For the first one, around 5 of them you have to get.
No, brother, I'm not too trust none of them something in my you. Call up on you see them want money and them. What would up on cash plus? Yo, brother, you have to know, you have to sure, you know, Dan. You have to sure, you know.
Yeah, man, this year, brother. Me not say me sure still, but me see all the comments them and the reviews them and people say how they
You
make
know,
money.
so that them do with the FX gaming something. Everybody I say legit and the people them are show you care where them get and make some other people are come and say. But if you say this legit still, it will legit, man.
Legit, bro. Alright, brother, and sometimes, you know, man, you have to risk it for your biscuit now, bro.
No, that a true still. That a true. Your friends are risky more time.
Yeah,
So
I'm
you say,
tired
you
of poor
buy it.
life, brother, eh?
You buy it.
What you mean? Me I go buy it, brother, and just try it, dog. Alright, I'm tired of poor life, bro. Me don't know if you feel comfortable in a poor life, you know, but me tired of it, brother. Tired of it. You see me? But maybe try it, man, and once my thing work out, just make you know what I go on and you jump on it too. You see?
That sound good.
Yeah, that's how I plan, bro.
I forget some way you told us still, you know.
Yeah, man, angry business, man.
Yeah, man, we link up, man. Here?
Alright, cool.
Just deal with it and make me know what I go on, you know.
Alright, yeah, man.
All right.
Hold on. So what you did when you go on the road?
You know, say, when on the road I teach you them how to get rich and sitting on some that's some online business, you know.
Oh,
I
the
show them.
usual.
Yeah, man, I show them how to go on. That's it.
Oh,
You know,
yeah.
we can't keep the wealth to ourselves, you know. We have to share the wealth and show them how to make money and how to be successful in life, you know.
That not sound too bad because we need me ear done.
Anyway, you're here?
Yes.
All right. So, how much would they here?
Well, for that specific style, I like about 25 grand. But
What? 25,000?
yes.
Wait till me do scamming or am I depend some Ponzi scheme thing or what?
What do you mean 25,000 is cheap?
Come on, man. Just to put in here.
Yes. And it's only 25,000 because me I provide the ear. If me never did I provide the ear, would I like 130 grand or so?
All right. Here I be. May have some money for coming in 2 days.
2 days? Jermain, that's not enough. More me ear than now. Almost 1 month now me I work around like this.
B, look here. May have so much things I deal with right now. You understand? And may have a contract will come out in 2 days. You know how my thing go already. Just give me 2 DB. 2 days. That's all I need. I get it done for you.
Why you need 2 days to find $25,000?
Because all that money we may have, remember say no. People say rich and wealthy. You know? So when they say wealthy, you know, if you have money like right now, you know. Look on Jay-Z and them people there. Remember now, them wealthy, you know, but they're not having money in them position. I same thing with me. I have to go to the bank and everything have to sort out differently. You understand? So, me have money, everything ready, everything set, but me not have it in my position right now.
Me not understand. When the people them buy an ebook, the money goes straight to your card, yes?
Not to my, yeah, go straight to my account.
So give me the card where you connect to their business something so we can use that.
That's why I tell you 2 days because it have to verify and clear.
Babe, but me need me ear done now. Me a walk around like this for way too long.
All right. Here it is. Remember saying that care and love for you, you know? You understand what I say? You know, so me do anything for you. But you see money we have right now. You just luckily have one place right now. But me do some investment plan. You understand? And this, as me say, 2 days time, it'll come true. You know, so me do anything for you, man. You understand? Just wait off a little bit more. Alright?
Fine, so me have to just reschedule my appointment then.
Yeah, man. 2 days. And you see this, you don't have to even worry about this. About this here. I get a more expensive here for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, a more expensive here means you're gonna be like really, really dollish.
So like Brazilian.
No, 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 no. Brazilian?
Yeah.
Brazilian, you want?
Yeah.
Okay, I was thinking about something more higher there, but it's
What
okay.
else?
It's
What
okay.
higher than
Oh,
Brazilian?
me work with the Brazilian. No worries, no worries. So, remember, say all the money right now, what me have put together, I feel me and your future. You understand? And everything we may do right now, the underlying work, everything, for me and you. So we know I don't know to look money too quick, you understand? That not say you're here and it makes sense, you know. But we just want you to give me 2 days when everything come true, I'm gonna make it up to you. Alright?
Alright.
Never tell a lie before?
No, not that I know.
Okay, baby. I'm never feel it.
No.
We now feel it. Lord see our word. Alright?
Alright, so 2 days then.
Okay, baby. 2 days.
Alright.
Can I get a hug? Welcome back to my channel, guys. I had some pretty good news for you guys. This is what I had out. I had some new product and I want you guys to go and check it out. This is no joke thing. It can be really, really successful. Right now, I'm telling you, look at this. Look at these liquors. See? Yeah, man. 200 VSOP. Douce, 250. Most of all, special tequila. I don't want to disclose this price for this one. It's really special. Yeah, man. So, as I said, guys, do the right. Do the right thing, man. Just go onto my page, you know, check out my ebook and do the right thing. Invest. You guys can be really, really successful. This can generate a lot of money. Family wealth, I'm talking about. Yeah, man. The children, even puss and dog, trust me, they don't have to stress no more. Everybody getting taken care of. Know what I mean? Yeah, man. Check out my ebook, guys. Do the right thing. I had a special going on right now. I have a special for 2. So you guys can just go on my ebook right now and invest into my special there. And I will keep you informed. And I will set up a special class for you guys. Yeah, man. So to teach you guys how to become rich. Because I used to do all those big kinds, all those investment trades and stuff. And I have to end up back right to my ebook here. And trust me, guys, follow me. Invest. Do the right thing. And I will help you guys accomplish everything that you ever needed. Yeah, man. This is no joke thing. This is no scam. It's no, trust me, guys. Just do what I said. Follow the instruction. And you guys will see within 2 weeks' time, the result will be like 80% of what you invest. All right? Yeah, man. I'm really appreciate you guys investing into my ebook and supporting me while I am creating a way to help you guys to become rich and to make a better way for you and your family. Yes, guys. So big up yourself and I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah, man. Have a good evening.
Yeah, afternoon, Mr. Pretty Ricky.
How you doing? How you doing?
Yeah, man, yeah, man. You know, some just come out for your life, and me very much interested now how we can make some of that money the way I talk about. Cause guess what?
That's wonderful,
Man,
man.
yeah, man, me tired of poor life, and I want to get my thing together. You know what I say?
Mm-hmm. All
Yeah,
right.
man. So that me a free.
So,
You me that thing. The number me I call them from is you go on WhatsApp me link way in your description and the information when me sign up and do what we need to do on those. sort out my thing, you know what I say?
Okay, so listen, I had everything right on my ebook right there, same place online. It's a new product that I just uploaded, and for you to get involved with that special product I had, you have to send me some more money so I can get you on the list. And then,
Yeah, man. So send me information to me WhatsApp, man, and me just sort out the right away and send off the money so me can get it up and running.
okay, I will send you what to do, where to go, and the amount of money that you should send.
But quick question, Mr. Pretty Ricky. You sure so this a thing are legit?
Yes, man. So, listen, since you're so interested to learn how to make some money, right? I can send you the special link to my ebook, right? And teach you how to make some money very, very quick. Also, I had some special classes that I did. All you have to do, just send me some money up front, and I will take the rest from there. Okay? So the amount,
Yeah, man.
yeah, so the first payment is going to be like $150,000.
Yeah, man, me put together and get that, man, and get the process started, because me tired of poor life, man, and I really want to get myself up and running, man.
Okay. I will get that done for you. Okay? As soon as you pay that money, everything will be finished.
All right, no problem. I'll just WhatsApp me a call upon, so just send the information to me WhatsApp and write away me sort out, yeah, all right?
Okay, don't worry about it. I will get my secretary to get it all done for you.
All right, then. Thank you, Mr. Pretty Ricky.
Okay, have a good day.
All right, yeah.
Yes. Hey, babes. Wow.
What is up? What is up?
happy?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, baby. I tell you, when that business deal close, money there. Tell us so we can do it. And if I tell you, say, yo, I invest and I make some money, it a go happen. I just say time.
Well, congratulations, Sam.
But before you go no further, listen. That money there, we asked me 2 days ago. Remember? 2 days, me tell you, 2 days. I said exactly 2 days. You understand? May I give you double.
Okay.
You understand? When I do your hair, do your nails, everything. Get a new suit, everything, baby. We'll go for dinner. All right? Yeah, man, money there, baby. Yeah, man, it's going. Well, you can't even lock, man. Just tell me what you want. So, I get money all different from different business, different company that I'm investing in. So, I have. All right, so this hold on, baby. Hold on, baby. Hold on, it's a 50,000. And we can give you some in a Canadian, so 500. You understand? And you don't know. You know what, baby? Just take the US too. Just take the US too. You understand? And you don't know. They tell you already, I'm going to spoil you, baby. Yeah, man. Buy yourself some shoes. You understand, baby? I'll never look a bit for myself also because the account full. You understand? Yes, man. Tell her already, no, man.
So all of this is really mine?
All of that yours, baby. That is nothing. That is just a tip.
Okay, well, thank you.
We have a lot going to accomplish, okay? Okay, B? Let's continue believing in me.
Can I help you, sir?
Oh, go on.
There, man. What happened?
So I'm just coming this store, taking a look.
So you see anything you like?
Yeah, I see a lot that I like. But before I go any further,
Mm-hmm.
I am Jermain, famous YouTuber.
Cool.
Yeah, man, I had a lot of product on YouTube there. I teach people how to get rich. I change a lot of people's life. Also, I am very, very successful,
See,
as you can see me here,
Mhm.
So, by the way, where's the owner?
I'm the one that's speaking with.
You're the owner?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Because I see a lot of potential inside this place.
Cool.
Yeah, man. and
Respect.
I see a lot of potential that you and I could do some business.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. So you can check out my YouTube channel. As you can see, I had like 8 million viewers.
Cool. See.
Yeah, man. And these are the products that I sell. Ebook. Teach people how to get rich. I had classes. Everything right there.
Cool.
Yeah, man. So what I would like to do, I can do some advertisement for you with your business.
That not sound bad. Because really and truly,
Mm-hmm.
and just this birth alone, So we have 1 year in Sav as it here right now, and we also have one in Montego Bay.
Okay.
So that would also make the business flourish more.
So with my crowd that I bring,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm a very big influencer, I think that would be a very, 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 very good idea.
Yes, it sounds good.
So if you want me to do that for you, I could do that. But moving forward, I would have to take some stuff from you as well, like some furnitures. I don't have to really pay upfront for that, no, because
But no, not cut it though. Why this sound like one scam though?
no, man, it's not a scam. I'm going to collaborate with you, right? So the product I'm going to take from you, I'm going to also advertise it on my site as well.
But before I do that though, I have to get some form of identification for me though.
Identification?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, that's no problem. That's no problem.
All right.
All right? But I'm pretty sure we can do some good business moving forward.
I hope so.
All right, so I will come back and maybe just get everything together,
Mm-hmm.
and then I can show you the full picture.
All right. I say your name is?
Oh, Jermain, but they call me Pretty Ricky. That's my YouTube channel.
All right.
All right?
So it's on YouTube, right?
Yeah, man.
All right, cool.
Yeah, man. So you can touch subscribe there, just press it.
Yeah, man, I subscribe to it, man.
Yeah, man. And you don't know, as you can see, 8 million viewers. We can reach a far away.
All right.
All right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Alto.
Hello, good afternoon. Jermain is here?
No, not at this moment.
You know what time he's coming back?
No, I'm not sure. What's going on?
He's one of my tenants. This apartment belongs to me. I'm the owner.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And I need to speak to him. And it is urgent.
You can I'll pass on the message. You can tell me because we're
question.
together.
Quick question.
Mm-hmm.
Do you relate it to Jermain?
No,
Are
we're
you his
together.
girlfriend or cousin, sister, whatever?
No, like I said, we are together.
Oh, I ain't woman.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to give you a message to give Jermain.
Okay.
Tell Jermain, say the landlord, I not what I say came, come right now, yourself, today at this minute.
Mm-hmm.
Tell Jermain, say, if him not have me rent when owe for over 6 months, he going to leave me with only one more option. And you know how I don't. Figure him notice. Cause me have it up to a year so. A last straw in the pan right now. So guess what? Give him the message for me. I'm serious. 6 months Jermain owe me rent for. Me give him too much chance.
That doesn't sound right. 6 months? That's not possible.
What? What you mean it not possible? Then me a idiot? Me a mad now? So if Jermain never owe me 6 months rent, would I come and say, look for Miss, what is her name?
It's Tanya.
Yeah?
Tanya.
Tanya. Okay, Tanya. Nice meeting you. Me not have no time for waste right now. The sun hot. And me have my other apartment them to go check and collect my rent. Tell Jermain say no me take police come here so feel.
Wait, hold on. So he actually owes you 6 months rent?
You're deaf.
Because it's just that I don't understand how you would owe you 6 months. It's fine.
Ask him how he owe in landlord 6 months. You can't ask me that. Me no know me can't owe me.
I don't understand how you would owe you 6 months rent.
That's what I like to know. But Jermain is the right person for you to ask. You understand?
Right. Okay.
Baby. You good? How was the day?
It was okay until an unexpected guest showed up.
Expected guest. I didn't invite anyone here. How did you handle it?
Yeah, you know, ask who?
No, that's Mr. Axel. How did you handle it? Who was it?
It was your landlord.
My landlord? Mm-hmm. What she want?
She said over 6 months rent.
6 months rent?
Yes.
Really? Me? B. I like that woman there, tell you. Yes, when me just come here, she see me and she say, yo, she like me both foot. It look like me can start out, so guess what? Me not be paying no rent. Yeah, man. So, probably because she come here and see you now, she get up in her feelings and say, yo, me owe her some money or whatever, you understand? But me know what this woman no money, yo.
Wait, so you and your landlord have a thing?
No, baby.
What do you mean?
From the moment me I get into a thing, you know, like, get together and everything, me not pay her no mind. So now she just started to friggin' like, get toxic, you understand? She just start text it for me.
So why you never feel the need to tell me that? I could have dare and she come dash something for me, you know?
Remember, she don't really know you be, right? So, I never really have no need to tell you because she not important. Because, not like I say, something I wasn't too deep. You understand? So, I never really tell you anything. And she never really know nothing about you or anything. Else she wouldn't come at this smile and get surprised.
But you said when she realized that me and you talk, she started asking me.
Yeah, because she came here this morning and she asked for me, right?
Mm-hmm.
And when she find out say you're my girlfriend, that's how she come up and say, yo, me who are some money. More 6 month rent. So that's the type of attitude now she started to send on, you see it? So, baby, don't worry about it. I'm gonna pay her all of the money that she sent me who are. You
6
understand?
months?
Yeah, man. Baby, me not broke, you know, man. Me have money, you know. My ebook, everything, my business is going really, really well. Me have money, B. Me not light. Okay? I'm gonna pay her money just to avoid all of this foolishness. Because me know when she come here, come see you and I tell you, say, me who are this. Me never ask this woman for no free rent. So me I go pay her. And me I go try to find a different place and go. Matter of fact, me I go buy a house. Me no want no other landlord to come ask me for no money as from today. After me pay her, me I go look a house, me and you, and we are going to buy a house. All right?
Yes, let's buy a house.
Yes, baby. I think that's the best decision.
I think so too.
Okay. Don't worry yourself, baby. So, you eat already?
No. Well, earlier.
All right, may I cook some food for you, yeah?
Why you never just get some food on the road?
Because I want to cook and spend some time with my baby with a glass of wine.
Alright, that doesn't sound so bad.
You like that?
Sexy time, yes.
Okay, baby. I'm gonna take out some swim around out of the car that I already have set up to go and start cook. I'll be right back. You guys will see a lot of things going on around the world, a lot of scam and the whole thing, you know. But I'm pretty sure you guys will get result from my product. Yeah, man, it's been 3 weeks, and I love the feedback that I'm getting back. It's just because some people are not following the right steps, so they are making this thing being a issue. But once you follow the right step, guys, you can't go wrong. The money will definitely go back into your account. Oh, one of the clients is calling me. Hello? Hello?
Yes, it's a pretty afternoon, sir.
Oh, how are you doing, man? Your phone is breaking up.
Yeah, man, we are here loud and clear though. You know, me call about me investing in a thing where you tell me about me send me money and everything and me not see no returns that come back yet. What really are going on, my boss?
Did you just get it done?
Yeah, I've got it done. Remember, see you get me money and everything. I mean, I see no returns that come yet. So me I wonder what really are going on.
Just give it a little more time, man. Just give it a little more time, because remember, when you invest, everything have to circulate first, right? So just give it a little more time, and then you will get result very soon. Remember, you know, man, everybody you see who is doing all these businesses, you know, they don't get rich overnight, you know. They just have a little patience and put in a little bit more work into it, and then you will get the very, very, very good result. All right?
You sure, my boss? Cause me no want to waste money and I don't want to put in money in something me not have no money to get back now.
No, remember, you're investing, so there's no wasting. And once you invest, you will gain, okay? Just have a little patience,
Sure,
and everything will work out. Just follow
you sure, my
all.
boss?
Yes, man. Just follow all the steps that I told you. And remember, come to my class Tuesday online at 5:30. And then you will definitely get all the fullness and understanding about this product. Okay?
All right.
Yes,
All right.
man. All right.
Can't back you for nothing.
Yes, man. Have a good day. No problem.
All right.
All right.
Yo, me Jay.
Where's the man?
Yeah, man. You know, say me just invest some money in that thing. Yeah, man.
Why, Jutta?
Drop in $1,000 US in it, you see?
Bro, God, no, I wish.
It looks so sulky.
Brother, God know that. I'm sorry, so I really have to say this to you. Right now, I'm there, pre-say. I'm good all have to kill you.
Where at, say?
You would be investing in that, brother. Right now, my investment when me invest in it, brother, scam dog. So right now, I lose my money.
Scam? Yo, me invest all of my last in them, my youth. All of my picking them money, every money me put, brother. Where I take me see a scam?
Dog, I tell you the truth, me never know, brother, until me do my little research and find out, say,
Brother, I can't scam, brother, because I owe my money. How me I get back money now?
dog,
How me I get back my money now, daddy?
bro, I don't know if you tell us, dog.
Then you have to go give me back money then, brother. Because all of my money me put right now, I'm not even have no food money, you. And you tell me say something real.
Is either we try, because investigation when me run upon him, me appreciate is either two things. Is either we kill him or we try to extort him and try to get some money off him. If not, we put you out to the world and make everybody know.
Brother, we can't kill him, now we have to get back money, brother. So where him there?
Alright, me not really know where in there yet, but me go try to find out, try to see if I can find out which part in there. And we either we have to just get rid of him or we get back the money, brother.
So you are just go and hold him, just go and hold him, man, and if me get a piece of money, me give you back a thing until we can get back.
Just sell some weed and let me get back some money there. Me not no food money, brother.
Alright, me go figure out something, brother. I'm sorry about that.
And you may have mentioned still in you.
Alright, I'll tell you.
Mama can't big up yourself, you know, man. Lama, them know. Big up. Yo, some boy are chatting about them, they know. Yo!
Yeah. Are you feeling it?
Yo, they chop on.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, go on.
When they are easy.
Boy, you know, say it's a promotion me there, so I go and deal with stay west.
Yeah?
You know, say, you know, and I get a from a pin to an anchor in there, you know. You understand right now, you can buy all one of them in a dog. Because them a look at some more DJ, you know, for the next location, you know.
You know my style, you know, say I'm all about investment, right?
So now invest,
Yeah.
you buy one of this, brother, you invest in yourself.
No, me no, yo, you know, me like use my raw cash, you know my thing set up already. But anyway, as some money me come get over my machine, yes, I me see over here do your thing. So me just come for short you. Why depend otherwise?
Boy, I just them there go and do some work, dog, you see me? Because more me have a party for mash up same way, so you see me, I just go and do it, man.
Yeah, well, that's good, man.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
So everything up.
Everything proper, you know. You don't know my thing set already. So, yo, bro, as I'm not sure if I'm there, you know. You don't have to always do this, you know, man. Remember my thing when we do? You can't always be a part of it. Are we successful together? You understand?
Boy, me can't deal with them something, dog. I must say, me and my youth them fi live for two, you know. So next thing, me don't want to do nobody no wrongs and this in a life, dog. I just want to live straight. You like make sure say promoter they have my money when.
No, yes. Stick to your thing.
Yeah, brother, remember say.
Stick to your thing, bro. It's alright.
Does it mean?
It's alright.
Me
It's
know
alright.
what me I do. Brother, me don't want nobody blood for me and them something there. So me just go and do what me I do. Listen to all the music here.
Mama can't big up yourself, you know, my mother. Lama, so them know. Big up.
Sir, what happened with you, sir?
Watch out. What go on? You know, say, we put up a video on YouTube, right?
Mm-hmm.
On YouTube, take down the video. For some reason, I don't know why.
Well, that not have to do with me still, you know. That not have nothing to do with me. Zane, because you could have make back a next one put up, you know.
Alright, here. Because me get caught up in some other investment and stuff. You understand? So, don't worry about it. But definitely I will put up something for you.
So what
Alright.
what happened to goods then?
Your goods?
Yes.
We still have a goods them, man. Still have a goods them. You want me to bring them back or?
No, I need my money. I have to pay for them right now. You really have to pay for them. I don't need them back.
Here. We can bring a check for you tomorrow. First
Check?
thing in the morning.
Check?
Yeah, man.
No, I'm not check for you, brother.
That was my friend, man. He can't
Leave,
vote for me, now,
I
man.
not trust you.
It's my
Cash
friend,
me
yeah.
on. Cash me on, brother. I don't need a check. Can't trust you.
A good boy. A good boy.
Yeah, man.
I give it till tomorrow still. Is it?
Until tomorrow morning,
Yeah,
everything good. Alright? Alright.
Yo, don't do that again. Don't do that again, my youth.
Come on, bro. You know so I go on and welcome, man?
Brother, you
put me on the spot, dog. Brother, what kind of style that?
I never build up myself, man.
No, put me on the spot like that again, dog.
Bro, and because me just take some things from him and him see me, him want him money. But me nah pay him back, you understand? So me have to just do something a while ago.
Yo, hear me I say. Ricky, hear what me I say. You see me there, so? I'm honest, living an honest bread, me I deal with them now. You see, when time you do that, don't man not go pre me, brother. When time you say yo, and the man don't say yo, me know you. You see me? Me know you, brother. Me not depend on the style, you know, dog.
Don't worry about it, bro. He can't pre you. And me are the product, you understand? So don't worry about it, bro.
Yo, do it, man. Yo, me just one place.
Yeah, man. Me see you later, yeah?
Yo, God know, dog. Yo, no do that again, brother.
Yo, some boy are chatting about them that know. Yo, badada, oh. Yo, liquor rasta, chop out your head now.
Marcis, me no want a little position. I don't know if you can give me a little help up.
No, I'm here now.
You know what I want to say? I invest some money in a little thing when I see I go on YouTube with one virgin named Pretty Ricky. And boy, I really don't know what I go on, sis God know. Yo, right now, sis, a evil man make me a pray now. Cause right now I want my money back. Me invest my money and not for dollar me see right now.
So that the business the way you invest in, what it all about?
Well, no, some sitting about how to get rich quick.
Watcha? So hold on there. From you born until now and they have sense. You don't know say not everything you see on social media is real. Some of them are scam people. You don't know say most of it are scam. And a matter of fact, that the name the way they tell me about Pretty Ricky. From you hear the name, I want man name so. You see man pretty man handsome. The name alone would that make me think twice.
Sis, God no right I know. Yo. But until me figure that part out still, you know could lend me a money?
Like how much money so you want? So cause right you know, the amount of things them when me have to go sort out the place with one tenant when me have there. Boy, me I tell you, in terribly and in lie.
Me understand that sis, but you know man me a talk about me and the little money.
No,
But you say can lend me
me
a
can't
thing?
lend you one money, but me I tell you say you go have to give me back on time because me have a whole heap of things to go fix up in the place. Cause me
Yeah.
rent out my place and this man.
Me will give you back sis, but you don't know say you just want to take me little time cause 3 weeks them rain and fall upon them so often me can't get to reap them up and enough of them are dead. So me not even make no money.
This man who owe me my money and they tell me this month. I know me can't get. A matter of fact, how much money you want?
Lend me where you can lend me man. Anything you want 50 or 100,000 me.
Alright.
Make you get it back.
Me will lend you money. And me will lend you under one condition. You need to actually you are my brother, you know. Actually you are my brother and me love you. But guess what? Stop go on social media, go see things and believe in it. You hear what me say?
Alright, my
I
sister.
catch you. And you need to show me the picture. And that there's somebody that will name Pretty whatever you say. Because me need it in my phone, I need to send it to my phone because if I not, me can show other people because I'm scamming the scam people.
Let me show you how you look.
This man who owe me my money for me rent how long and now give me and they tell me this month. No. Anyway, you see that money here? A money when me collect, you know. From some other tenant to fix up a place. A place need to sort out. The tile them all that them man there in a fee apartment when rent. The tile broke up, he mash up a pipe, he this and that to the whole place. The man not paying current bill nor water rate. Nothing at all. And they tell me this month.
Alright, give me a little money, sis.
Hold on there. Let me count how much money may I give. Alright, so this is it.
Alright.
So
Alright, see picture here, man.
you sure?
Yeah, I mean, I him, yes.
This a man me rent me place. This a man what you say name?
Pretty Ricky, I lie.
Pretty
I
Ricky.
rent your place.
He no name no Pretty Ricky. A Jermain he name. All of me receipt them when me write game. When he used to, not again. Can you owe me much in money, over 300,000. When me used to write game, man show me in ID when he come. And say name Jermain.
Do you really
Pretty
mean to
rich
tell me
Ricky.
say that thing you do to me? Scam me my money and a boast about how to make people rich online and not go so?
And him poor and bossy lie. I know he owe me 300,000 and cannot give me. Bro, I one thing me I tell you. Now get yourself in no trouble, you know. Don't put yourself in a no problem. You better you involve the police in this. It's serious. This a man a general.
Alright, my sister, alright. No say a word. Alright, me figure it out. But which one of your apartment you're saying live?
Yes, I can't believe. The new apartment pan his scheme. The new one. At this so me rent him. Rent him part of it.
Alright, sis, alright. Me promise you, me now put myself in around trouble. But me go want back my money.
Remember say fi go report it to the police cause right now at that me the figure do to him. Missing ID. Me not rent nobody the
Alright,
place and me not
sis.
see the
Alright.
ID. I saw him name Jermain in
Yo.
lie.
I want to hurry up but see if me can catch him. So later, me we talk.
Make sure you not put yourself in no trouble, you know.
Alright, yeah man.
Okay. Take care.
Yes, Mr. Pretty.
Oh, go ahead. What you doing, man? Everything was a success, right?
You think we wouldn't find out which part I live?
What you talking about?
Let me be straightforward to you, because I guess you probably don't realize, say, I'm a sister own your apartment here where you live. And all we do on the internet and I tell people about get rich and buy your ebook and invest in your thing them. All a scam.
No, man. No. Hold on, brother. Did you follow all of the steps, then?
Listen. All your ebook and everything is foolishness. Me do everything what you say and nothing no work. Me lose all of my money. Me all make all one of my brethren invest in it too. And right now, I kill a man out to kill me and tell me say, me make you invest in a something and it no work out. So you what?
No, brother. Check if him check the right website.
Alright. Yeah, because me not like it foolishness and me not like it grow on and come around. Can me find out everything. So here what? Me go want you give me my money back and me want you give me my brethren money back. And if you can't do that, me I go publicize up on the internet and make everybody know say it's a fraud.
You can't do that. No. Listen. Everything that I'm doing is legit. It is no Spanzy scheme thing or no scam. I've been doing this for a long time.
Obviously you've been
So-
thieving people for a long time.
You're insulting me now, Mr. Richard.
Alright. Put aside the money where you've been a thief. What about my sister rent? My sister tell me say a 6 month ago, almost 7 months, you not paying no rent, you know?
Your sister is lying. I paid her 3 months in advance.
Me know my sister no idiot, you know.
Man, she take the money and doing something else. Man, she's in a dementia. Or she's buying those young boys that I see walking around here
Alright, I don't know.
to fulfill her pleasure. Because I know I paid her.
Alright, me not gonna argue with you, know. All me I tell us my boss, just line up back my money and make me get it.
Okay. On my ebook, there's a list of things come all the way down that you can invest into. Right? So when you invest, you have to bear it in mind that sometimes you lose.
My boss,
It's like a gambling, right? So
you,
if
you
you
never
invest,
tell me nothing like that. You tell me say it's a sure shot. Look at your success. Yeah, my boss. Me no want go through all that little rigmarole and you trying to convince me. Me just give you 2 days to come up back with my money and come up back with my virgin money, and if you can't come up with it, we are going to blast up on the internet and make people know what I want.
okay, bro, I will see what I can do, but it all depends on what you invest on my ebook.
You know what, Mr. Ricky? Me no want to hear nothing more what you have to say. All I want is my money. Me don't talk.
Yo, bro, where they? Oh, check me around my yard. Yeah, man, come now, bro. Come right now.
I'm here, dog. Que look so? Eh?
Why, bro? Me not look at trouble, you know.
What kind of trouble?
You know, so when I client them come in my yard, only if you find out, say, I'm a landlord brother. Or me have a deal with for me e-book.
I mean, somebody when I people ever invest,
Yeah, man, when I youth will invest.
so him winning money.
Here, the man say, it look like a scam thing me I deal with now. And the man say, he want back him money. If I not give him back him money, he going to expose me.
Brother?
I mean, I explain, I mean, I tell him, man, say, yo, my ebook business is like gambling things, like what you invest.
A risky I run in the life, you know, dog. You listen to yourself. I could have killed somebody else come to kill you, you know.
Cut long story short, here, bro. Me have to pay back him money, see? You have no money, can you lend me?
Brother, nobody get me involved, brother. Me not have no money.
You're not involved. Me just ask you if you have no money, can you lend me so me can get to give it to him so him don't expose me.
Brother, me not have no money, dog. Right now, I should even know me have the amount of bills me have, brother. Me have my bills then tall up as so.
Bro, you always around joking at him about bills. This is a serious thing. Serious time I tell about, brother. Serious. A man can expose me, me can lose everything. Me can lose my money, me can lose my car, me can lose my girl, me can lose my dog, my cat, everything me can lose, bro. This is a serious thing I tell about.
You can lose a life too. If you're not, brother. A serious business I do.
So that's why I want the money for borrow from you?
Me don't have no money, dog. Me I try to tell us, me don't have no money. Me don't have nothing, dog.
So what is your best suggestion?
The best option me see you can do right now, you know, is to try to figure it out, go down and ready cash or something, go try to get a loan and pay back the man in money. Because a serious gambling here run with the life, you know, dog. A man could have dare some and shoot up a place. I could have anybody else. You see me? You have to know what you do when it comes to money, dog, and people, and on the internet. And everything.
Yeah, bro. It's alright. You can't help me right now. Me figure my way out.
Just do what you have to do.
Thanks for your advice.
Just do what you have to do.
Because all the way you tell me say still catch to the facts that me need and money for borrow, for give the man, for calm him down. So him no go up online or social media for expose me say me a scam.
But I don't know if it because me don't have no money, dog. Me don't probably say if me can help you out, dog, but...
Alright, forget about it. Forgot me the call, yeah, bro. Thanks.
Yeah, man.
Out.
Do you right, man. Me can't help you this
Yes,
time.
bro. Yeah, man. Thanks.
So long, then I say you live.
Watch out. You know, it says I drink, me not try to get, but you know what? Me I go sleep it off.
Why?
Thank you, man.
Yo, man, I go out run and say, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Have a good evening, bro. This don't look good. This don't look good at all.
Jermain, what's going on?
My baby. That's right, I'm stressed out.
You not like abuse the alcohol or nothing like that, right?
My baby, right now. Don't even know. Where I deal with.
What's going on with you?
You know what what do you mean? I invest $2 million into this
new business. I'm gonna lose all that money. Yeah, man, the people them get bankruptcy. So right, I don't even know what I'm gonna write, you know, trust me. Millions of dollars. So for morning, me just there, just kind of have me away, you know.
So you've been drinking all morning?
They even know in a baby, I swear. But what may I say still? We know we can catch on back. We can catch on back, you know.
Of course you will. You're
Yeah,
gonna
man.
do this.
So I wonder if you could take out a loan for me.
How much money we are talking about?
How much? About $500,000.
You start by saying not much. Wow.
Obviously with me, baby, because comparing to what me used to, $500,000, you know, me can't make back that. No time. Me just want to start back. Just want to get back on my foot. Now you know how me skill, you know me stay already.
Not that me not believe in you because I do. Me have a lot of faith in you and me know you can do your thing, right? But $500,000?
You can't manage that?
We're in a store. Why would I not even think I'm eligible for take out $500,000?
About 250. Because my skill not be
So you're saying you lose all your money?
everything. Normally you wouldn't see me like this, B. You know me stay already. What is it?
I don't know what to say. It sounds like you've been thinking about this all morning. You could have waited for me to come to tell me.
But anyway, what do you think? You want to give it a try? And see if we can get through?
My honest opinion, I don't know if I want to take out a loan 600 grand. $600,000?
No. 500,000.
Oh, for 500 from 6.
Either way, B. Are you gonna give it a try?
I don't know. Listen, I can definitely help with the bills. That is not a problem. And I can also give you money when I have it. Yes, it's nothing compared to what you used to, but that will help you along the way while you figure out what you need to figure out, because I don't know if we can take out $600,000 loan.
Alright, baby. Don't sweat it too much, okay? Me always bounce around.
No,
Alright?
you don't sweat it too much, because why you abuse the alcohol?
It's just a start of stress, you know? But don't worry about that, B. Alright? You know me start off from nothing to something. So sometimes I go up, sometimes I go down. So this is just like a lesson for me, alright? Don't worry, B. If you can't do it, I understand. I still got you in every way. Alright?
Okay, give me
Don't
a
sweat too much, B. You know I love you, right?
love you too.
Alright, though. So you know what? You just give me the courage to start back, make some serious money.
You know, some want to show you a pretty though. Thing reach me from where they daddy. So you know why it reach it to me, I tell you. From now, is it? You have one youth name. You have one youth name, pretty Ricky, on the app. With one false thing, with one scamming thing, daddy. Right now, me and my brother lose up a portion of money in a dan. Just by go try to invest in a man thing in a dan. Like, not really invest in a thing, like, put on a money, I make more money. That the man I try to tell you, you know, daddy.
Like so get rich quick scheme.
That same something there, something get rich quick, something. You see me?
Yeah.
And brother, remember me tell you I lose money in a dan. Wickedly in a dan. So I put up a your guard, you see me? And I know all the same thing reach you.
So you know his name? You know him personally?
I know him personally, you know, but I see him face on the internet.
Oh.
I know him name, Pretty Ricky.
So
Just I put up a your guard still now, because I want back my food still. I'm begging.
so now pray him.
What the way I ask that for? A man must pray if you take away man money, brother. You cannot stop. Throw a dice, man.
Well, me understand you're paying money for me. And I probably do him or do him family so. So, can't you tell me still?
Not for doing family nothing.
Oh. But
Want back money. Me not get back money, I know it's a different thing.
How much people you know lose their money, so? Or just you and your bridge?
Me I'm bridging on some other people still.
Yeah. Well, thanks you tell me still no, cause good for no man. But yo, I say me can buy one wisdom and some weed, you know, and jump out, you know. So yo, me link here now.
Do your thing, man. Everless and boundless.
Ah.
Yo, you said upon him.
Where man say about the money and all that?
You want to know, say, me page him. And from me page him, I make him know what kind of clock a strike. He call him back and tell me, say, you want to meet him tomorrow night. You know? So it sound like, say, he have the money in him.
Like just meet him alone. Brother, man couldn't just send the money in your account.
Well, he say he want to meet me, so at least it sound like I have the money enough.
Yo, make sure say you get the money, you know, and take out back a piece of money and find me, you know. Because invest, we say we are investing on them.
Alright, that me I gotta do. Me just try to get my money, your money, and try to get a piece more money off him.
Yeah man, that sound good, man. Yeah man, because right now me I get Gigi, you know, and Jutari, you know. But, yo, I want my money, brother.
Alright, me program him, man, I make you get it. See?
Say a word, man.
Alright. Where's that going on, my boss? What make you make me meet in this alone spot? What happened?
So differently now. I call if he make a deal with you too. You understand? Me can carry in the thing too, you know, and make some good money.
No, bro.
What you,
me not the funny thing.
Finish now, man. So what you can do? Call in all your friends them and make them be a part of your program. And then you can give me a percentage out of that. You understand? Because you're going to make enough food out of that.
No, man. Me see what you're doing now. You're not going to make me scam my friend them. Because I already put on one of my bridging on your program. And him lose free money and him want back free money. And me want back my money plus me want my sister rent. Plus me want 400,000 extra. If you not expose it to the public, make them know say he's a fraud.
Then why you be so greedy?
Me I be greedy?
Yeah,
or you greedy?
Why should I pay $400 extra? Or 4,000? How much you say? 400,000?
400,000.
You look your head.
Boss, listen, I don't know long talking, you know. Me, I will expose you if you can't give me money.
Okay.
Me tell you that already, and me I tell you again.
Alright, listen this. Zane? Me I give you a good deal and you don't want it. You understand what I say? Because me I try to work out something with you so you not expose me. You understand what I say? But you're being greedy. And if you don't want to work with me, hold this.
My boss, this do me say now. We don't have to do this, man. Alright, me take it, man. Me take where you are for me.
If it's things you don't want to take me deal, hold this.
Yo, Charlie.
Yo, Juta, me get shot.
What?
Yeah, me run a cherry tree lane, abandoned building.
Me a come.
Well,
Tell me what is a sit down right here start though.
Me a build up a vibe. But when I comfortable with me I do. You know what I say? Me have to talk to you about
What else?
your man, Jermain. You're saying rich and everything, right? Explain to me again what kind of business you do.
Timmy, me nah do this again there now. You know, say, I get ready for leave out for go up on the road, right? You call me up here so to tell me about Jermain.
Yeah.
What your problem? You're obsessed with him?
Nobody do that. Listen to me.
Then if you want him to be main topic all the time, you have to ask.
Alright, listen to me now, sis. The reason why I'm asking, you know, cause when I'm bridging them, I show me a little vibe, you know. Say, you invest in your man e-book. And he lose all that money.
Yeah, but I saw you going on, you win and you lose.
Sis, listen to what I say. A man a tell me say, a whole heap of people invest in something and lose their money.
Still, I saw you guys, I time is there. He never promised nobody
Sis,
to them happy.
a scammy man them. You know how much people you must scam? Me do some real research and me go through it and me realize a lot of things them we have in us. I lie and look on the video them where I post. A lot of people them I say yo, they don't see no returns, they don't see no upon their investments. Right now, you man them a premium, cause to be honest, sis, there's no real way to get rich quick.
See me, listen, let me tell you something actually away from me right now, and this is just a lot to take in.
So which part you go?
We are gonna meet up because you have drinks later.
Sis, me just give you a warning. Make sure so when you go with him, you make sure say you ask him and you get the truth out of him. You hear me say?
This is really a lot to take in to me. Listen, he lose a couple millions with it too, you know. So it's really a win or lose situation. So me can't really look for the people and where I say, them not make back now. Because they know where they did that invest, you know.
Tanya, listen to what I have to say now. Think about, you know, a man will say he know if he get rich quick and he know about money and this and that. And he might help people get rich. How him lose millions? Eh?
Because it's just a cycle of the game. You win and you lose some. But listen, you never tell me a lie and you never betray me. I may have been close on day one. I'm going to take your word for it and I'm going to ask him. But really, to me, this is like a lot. This is a whole heap to take in. Because I'm going to expect this. I'm going to hear it from nobody else either.
I love you. Just take care of yourself and look him in the eye and ask me truth. But otherwise, you can't give me your money so I can buy one craving you can shop up with you.
Why you smoke? Why? How? When you start smoke?
Because right now I'm stressed out right now I want to make some money. So give me a thing so I can buy a craving here.
I can't buy a craving here till we get a priority straight. I don't use stay like this.
What about your business?
Oh, because I'm not buying a craving here. Alright.
Just make sure you ask your man the truth.
Yo.
I want family.
Where's your tail?
Why?
How about bartender then?
You know, so she gonna get some stock out on the road there.
But that me can't take with them bartender, no, man. But that, should me take a chop out there still. That's why I have to check all the
Bro,
chop.
I talk about that tonight. All of your bartender, them, you always that chop. And that's them not talking you long. Anyway, a serious thing there, right? I'm stressed out, you know, bro. Stressed out bad.
I'm there.
You know, say, The landlord, brother. I'm not tell you about what they
Mm-hmm.
invest in the ebook company. You know, say, we end up having to kill him.
Dog,
Take
really?
on TikTok. End up having to get rid of him, dog.
Brother, what kind of problem is you take upon yourself, man? You...
Bro, listen. The man plan said I'm gonna expose me if I'm not pay him all my money. You understand what I say? I may have too much to lose, you know. I come from too far, bro.
Bro,
We couldn't make it happen.
when you gonna stop?
Stop what?
All of this what you do, when you gonna stop? You kill him, man.
Bro, take time.
What you know? You know something? You kill him, man. You done did a robbery man already, and you kill him. That makes sense, dog.
Bro, you know, listen to me I say, no. Me have too much stake on the line if it go down like this. Me can't make sake of one man. Make me lose all of this. As far as me I come from, you know, the struggling dog. Me call it for your support. Me not call it for no nurturing or no teaching or nothing at all, bro. And that me call about.
You hear me I say no?
Me stress out, you know.
You hear me I say no, man? Just make sure, say, when they hold you and you state them get cooked, you not say nothing. Zane?
What you say to me? What you try to say? What you mean when them hold me?
I see you listen to that.
What you mean?
I'm murder somebody, you know.
Yeah, the only friend me have me can trust.
And you know, say, yo, me not tell nobody, you know. But
That's
what
all I want to know, but
you
me
don't
just
know, you don't know if nobody see you, you know. Hmm?
that's why me stress out, you know.
You know if nobody see you, you know everybody have camera nowadays, you know, dog. Boy, I'm not gonna know who said that. But how much you kill him?
You know, say bro, me have to call my one place, trick him, say me have some of the money for him, right? And then me just meet him at the place and me just shoot him and move.
So you check your body?
Check what kind of body, bro. Me a doctor. Come like you know hear me just say a while ago.
Brother.
Me say, me just shoot him man and move.
You know if he dead?
Me never check on that, bro. Me don't know if him, me just fire one shot name, that's it, and gone, bro, that's it.
Brother, you're a rookie, you know, dog. You're a real rookie, you know, them sitting here, you know.
That to show you say me not killer, bro, but you know, me have so much on the state, so much stuff going on, me can't make one man expose me and then the whole thing go mash up.
Bro, you hear me I say?
And you know how hard me work to get that ebook thing they set up online.
Just make this be a lesson learned. Love the ebook thing alone. Here, you see what the ebook are there? It's like it a breed your dung for just a continue. It's a blood sucking thing. When you look your soul start, you probably next thing you're gonna kill all one more.
Alright, stop this, bro. Cause you know catch what me I say, nothing connect in your head, you know. You see this ebook thing, what you are called scam or whatever, I hit make me live like this now. You understand what I say? I hit give me all of this, all my nice clothes, cars, house, everything, bro. You understand what I say? I hit that are my food. I generate money in my pocket so people can see me as somebody. You understand what I say? I'm not to live one straw. You can continue doing mechanic work, or your bar work, or your DJ work. But what me I say to you, this year, when me not gonna make nobody mess you up. So me they have to do me the circumstances, make me have to do what me have to do.
Well, just pretend like you never tell me, you know. Because if police find out and hear say you tell me I'm in a report it, then you can lock me up too. And me not depend that. Me not have money figure a court. Right now, I want to buy a couple more of them box I put in a place. And a 550,000 for one. You understand? Right now, see them want to get one big TV put up yourself. So when time the customer then come in here football I play, we can watch.
You know what? Me don't know you. You're not for yourself.
Well, I mean, I don't know it's a bartender and to be there, you know, man. Sure, all them I see if you take them down, you know. Just do it, just tell me, boy. Listen me?
Yeah, man, me don't know you, man.
We wish you all the best.
Fine
man.
favors.
Stop choppy bartender them and this one reach you too, eh? Yeah, man. Have a one. We'll talk to you later.
Brother, you have to test the waters when the waters ain't coming in, you hear that?
Mr. Richard, right?
Yes, officer.
Boy, sorry, say we couldn't come earlier.
But you know about that thing, Mr. Man. I'm here, man.
No, man, look. Your hands are tied. Gonna be honest with you. Right? We have a lot of work doing all over the place.
Whole heap of work, we had the whole heap of work.
Yeah, man. So actually, we spoke with the doctor and he said just a fresh wound. So, you're gonna be okay. So, better late than never. All right? Anyway, so, question I want to ask. You know exactly who shoot you?
Yes, officer, I say who shot me.
You see? So, you're sure?
Yes, officer, 100% sure.
You can't give me a description who the person or tell me who the person is?
Well, I'm not good at description, I can't tell you who.
All right, let's go ahead and tell me who the person is.
All right, so a man named Jermain in Puerto Rico. He went to a room from my sister.
Hold on. Jermain? Yeah, Puerto Rico. Hold the book. Kind of the book.
Yeah, he named Jermain, they call him Puerto Rico.
Yeah.
Yeah, he might run some online thing on YouTube where I teach people how to get rich. So, when you invest some money in it, when we get to find out, say, scam people them. We tell him, say, yeah, I go want back my money, So now he tell me, say, he won't give me back, and just tell me to meet him up on one spot. So me go know things, say, I mean money he have to give me. He shoot me, officer. A good thing, say, maybe I have one of my friend, I call him, and he come for me and tell me come to the hospital.
So let me ask you, you know exactly where we can find this so-called Puerto Rico?
He live for my sister apartment.
We mean to book him then, man.
Yeah, man. That's your sister?
Yes, officer.
Okay, so actually, you can more give us a more description of because he can't come out now. Actually, so, we're going to have to, deal with the situation right away. Sorry for the ladies, but we have to deal with it. All right, so we need a description of you are what,
Okay, I'm short,
Short.
of light complexion, in a dark brown, in just...
Natural brown or bleaching brown? Which one I go?
I don't know if you have to go ask him that
Brown.
I see him.
That's right, fair complexion.
Yeah, him that dark. And him short and thick, him look like he go gym. Cause he have some big muscle here.
Well, that should have been easy.
Yeah, he have muscle.
Muscle man. All right.
Yes, and he like wear sweatsuit.
What? A style man. Okay, so.
And sneakers.
Oh, okay. So, anyway, exactly, we need exactly where you live exactly.
Okay, I'm living on this scheme over by Shrewsbury.
Yeah, man, I know exactly where you live. Come and think of it. So, I know exactly where. Yeah, man.
Officer, there's something to say to you about that same Monday when I rent my place. I can't wait for you catching me. He shot me, brother, and he owe me my money. He owe me how much in month rent.
All right, hear what happened then. We're going to have to take a visit there. Yeah, we're going to have to go there and what you mean by we?
No, man, I must have to deal with, man.
It's alright. Me deal with it. I'll leave it out.
Yeah, man, I'll deal with it, man.
What happened, baby? I look so down. What happened to you? What happened? Alright?
Mm-hmm.
Where you going?
I thought we had a button.
Of course.
And me think we be completely honest with each other.
Always be. But before we get into all of that, give me a little smile on your face, Mr. Walker, man. You that mad with me?
You feel like there's anything at all where you think I should have told?
No, B.
Nothing at all?
No, man, I'm straight with you.
That's interesting.
Baby, tonight our date night, where all of this will come from now.
So the business where you do, it's legit, right?
Yeah, but we can't have a business tomorrow.
No, because it's the right time, we are chill, the vibes is right. So why not?
Alright, dude, no worries. What I'm drinking off me, hour?
Yeah, this one. Because you've been abused the alcohol, so more so it is.
I'll be, you take this one, man. Like,
You are involved in some stuff and you refuse to tell me for some reason. I don't know, me can't figure it out. And don't bother lie to me because me get the information from somebody on my trust and somebody who have my back.
about?
Life, the situation, everything.
Yeah, but you're still not getting to the point. Just get straight to the point, Lee. What are you saying? What are you
Because
implementing?
you time to figure out what me talk about, even though you already have one idea what we might talk about.
B, I do a lot of stuff, so it's hard for me to...
That is correct, you do a lot of stuff. Listen. You're scamming people. And that is so wrong.
B, where you get them information from?
Don't play down faith.
What you mean you scam people? What you talking about? B, listen. My business, my ebook business that I did online. Remember, I teach the classes. Me never tell people give me them money willingly. Them send it, come give me.
You never
listen. Yeah, me kind of tell them say yes, send it, come give me yes, but me never take you out of them pocket. You understand what I say? But the only thing is, me give them hopes, which was false hopes. You understand what I say? And I just a part of the hustling, Me see a way we can make me and you better off, so me go for it.
Really, Jermain?
What do you mean, really?
You're gonna be dry about the whole situation? You don't care?
Baby.
Listen, no. It's fine. You're here with your officer already. I really love you. I'm really care for you. I promise. But I cannot do this anymore. I can't go forward. You know, I can't be with you. You're a liar. You're a thief. And you're very narcissistic.
Nobody a big word. Nasty what? Narcy who?
You get the point.
Are the same thief and the same narcissist or nastiness or what you call me? I make you wear them pretty clothes here and put money in your pocket and feed you. You understand what I say? So stop being so stop create excitement, man.
Excitement? Jermain, I really wanted to see you win. You understand how much faith me have in you?
But I'm winning.
The wrong way. Now listen. I am walking away. Like, this is it. Can't do this tomorrow. So good night.
You know what? Galang, you never find a better man like me who full of so much ideas and can make money. Go on, man. You will regret it one day. Go on, man. Listen to your brother or your cousin or whatever. Go on. Yes, my people. Yes, my people. Yeah, you don't know. So, I know you guys been hearing that I've been doing a lot of scam online, but people, I want to let you guys know.
Mr. Jermain.
It is all a lie.
Mr. Jermain. You're under arrest, boss.
Well, this is what I talk about, people. Up to the police, them bad mind,
You're under
you understand what I say?
Listen to me.
What you talking about now, officer?
Cyber crime, money laundering,
No, man. You see me talking about, people?
You on live?
Yeah, man.
You have to go put on that,
put
Me
down.
nah put on my phone. Yo, listen me.
Well, what you gonna do? You're gonna do it the easy way or the hard way?
What you talk about? Hey, people.
Listen to me.
Listen, this is my only protection.
You have an attempt murder charge also, you know.
Hold on.
Listen, put your hand behind.
Hold on. Me end the live there.
No, I'm not giving you an option to end it like it. Put your phone up there, sir.
What do you mean?
Put your phone up there.
You talk about Mr. What your name?
Mr. Put your hand behind there, Vassal. If you want to know.
Vassal. Okay. Vassal.
Boss man, listen to me.
Give us man. Vassal. You have money, you know. Go easy, man.
Go easy for what, Berchin?
Listen.
Go the way there for me.
You have money.
You have what?
You have money.
You know say you have money.
So, we can work something out.
Listen to me. That's the next bribery charge, you know. Go that way for me. Go so.
Mr. Basti, you go on. Mr. Basti, listen to me, man.
I don't have nothing to say. Not every police can bribe boss, man. I never put a charge upon you too. Go that way for me, sir. Me have your phone. Go that way. Come on, let's take the thing to joke to me, boss. You know the trouble, you know?
Yo.
You know the trouble, you know?
Mr. Basti, you know what I go on here?
So now, when Candy tell us something, when you start complaining about something,
Yeah.
when I work,
Yeah.
man, tell him, say, no, sir, and I'm a scambling plug them in the house now. Bathroom, I tell them, so if you tell the truth, I don't know why me I pay so much rent.
Yeah, man. Tell me action.
Wait. Come in a little closer, Alright, ready?
Alright, good. This is why you job. You know yourself, yeah, cut it right. No, I'll get you right. Give me our money no more and buy one curve here.
Get your priority straight. Me can't buy you a curve in here.
Stop. Buy a curve here. That's good. You don't care me. Alright, but just keep your finger crossed. As soon as Mr. Ray, we just call you and make you get this in.
You must come here and get jittery talk, daddy. You get jittery now, no, man.
Me why, Javi? Alright, my boss. Okay, did you write it down, you know?
Right now, I just because I want money, you know. Whenever I'm money, when I kill him, you know.
Yeah. When I say jittery.
Yeah, right now, make it jittery, you know. Yeah. Ready now?
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Oh, Bassel. Okay. Bassel.
Boss man, listen to me.
Give me some man. Bassel. You have money, you know.
Well, listen, come on.
Eh? Let me know for the come on big. Come on big man. Ready?
Yeah, say that up there, someone.
Ready?
Wait. Hey, what's the word?
See,
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.